Hi children, welcome back to the video session that is tomorrow. Today we are going to do the video on Grammarite, that is lesson number 7 on A and An. Okay children, now get ready with your pencil and eraser and page number 29 in your Grammarite textbook. Okay, now let's link it. In chapter 1 we learnt about vowels and consonants. Am I right? Yes, we know that there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Right? The other letter of the alphabet are consonants. Okay children? Now read these words. An apple, an eagle, an orange, an umbrella, an ice cream. Okay? Now we use "and" before words that start with vowels. Now read these words. A bag, a net, a man, a horse. Okay? Now we use "and" before words that start with vowels. Now read these words. A bag, a net, a man, a horse. We use A before words that start with consonants. Okay children? Now you have understood where we use "an" and "a". Okay? See, we use "an" before words that start with vowels. Okay? And we use A before, that is "a", before words that start with consonants. Okay children? Now this is your homework. Okay, see, this is your homework. Draw a picture of one thing before which we use "a" and one thing before which we use "an". Okay children, now I will tell you different thing, like, see, you need to draw a different picture of "a" and "an". Okay, see, you have got the examples, but you will not use these examples which are given in the book. Okay, you'll draw the pictures which are not given in the book. Okay, try to do it. It's a homework. Now next page, that is page number 30. Okay, circle the pictures whose names begin with a vowel. Okay children, now we will check out what are those pictures which begins with a vowel. Okay, first one, apple. Apple, what are the vowels? First you tell me. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, apple. Apple starts with letter, alphabet A. Circle this, apple. And chair, no. Umbrella, yes. Circle it. And then ink pot, yes. Circle it. Zebra, no. Okay children, now hope you people have circled the letters, words which begin with vowels. Okay, now B. Fill in the blanks with A or an. Okay children, now first one is orange. Orange starts with letter, alphabet O. Means what we need to write? An orange. Okay, and the second one, table. Table starts with T. Now it is not a vowel. Then what we will write? It's a. Okay, now third one, dash, elephant. An elephant. Okay, now 4 to 12 are your homework. Means try to do it on your own, and in the further slides I'll be giving you the answers also. You can check it. Okay children, now tick the boxes where A or an has not been used correctly. Now see here they have used A and an, and we need to see A and an usage is correct or not with the words. Okay children, first one, A apple. A apple? No, it is an apple. That's why it is cross. Cross it. And then second one, a box. Yes. Tick it. A igloo? No. Cross it. A egg? Cross it. A fish? Tick it. An orange? Yes. Tick it. Now. An car? An car? No. Cross it. An owl? An owl. It's owl. Okay, children? An owl? Yes. Tick it. An flower? No. Cross it. Okay, children? Now, look at the pictures and write what you can see. Two have been done for you. See, the pictures are here and we need to write two different sentences with the usage of a and an. Okay, children? Now, in the first picture, you are able to see a boy standing in rain carrying an umbrella, right? See here, I can see a boy. See, I can see a boy. Second one, I can see an umbrella. See, the boy is standing with umbrella, right? Now, in the second picture, there is an elephant and ball. Elephant is playing with ball. Now, we will write the sentences. I can see an elephant. Okay, A-N-E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Okay. Now, fourth one is I can see a ball. Yes, the elephant is playing with a ball. Elephant is playing with a ball. See here, fourth one you need to write I can see a ball. Now, fifth one, I can see a hen. Yes, I can see a nest. Hen is sitting on. I can see a nest. Okay, children. Now, I can see a cat. Okay. Now, eighth one, I can see a mat. See here, cat is sitting on a mat. Okay. I can see a cat. I can see a mat. Okay, children. Write it. Now, next page, that is 31. Choose words from the help box to match the pictures. Write the words with a or an before them. One has been done for you. See here, you are given a yellow color help box and then you need to write, connect them with the pictures and write the usage of a or an. Okay, first one is an apple. Second one is, children, an ant. Third one is axe. Hala? An axe. Fourth one is a pen. Fifth one is book. Hala? A book. Sixth one is an umbrella. Okay, you just need to add the words given in the yellow color box to the correct picture and then add a or an to it. Okay, now next one, complete the sentences using a or an. You are already very familiar with the a or an usage. Now we will check out. See here, now I have dash book. I have a book. Okay. An elephant is bigger than a cow. Okay. Yes. There is a ink pot on the table. Yes. This is dash rose. See, rose word starts with a consonant. Then what you need to write? You need to write a. This is a rose. There is dash clock on the wall. There is a clock on the wall. Okay, children? Now, 6 to 10 are your homework. Means do it on your own. And then you can check in the further slides, answer slides, what I have given in the last of this video. Okay, children? Now, write the names of the things you can see below. Okay, Remember to use a or an before the words. See, once again, you are given with beautiful pictures and you need to write, identify the pictures and you need to write the usage of a or an with the picture word. Okay? First one. In the first picture, what you are able to see? Pencil. What? How you will usage? It is a or an? A pencil, because pencil starts with P. P is a consonant. If it is a consonant, we need to write a before a consonant. Okay, children. Now, first one is a pencil. Second one, you are able to see. What you are able to see? In the first picture only, you are able to see sharpener and also eraser, right? Now, sharpener. Sharpener is a consonant because it is starting with S. A sharpener. Okay? And then a eraser. Fourth one, an apple. Fifth one, a crayon. Then a bag. Okay, children, you are done with this. Connect the pictures and then write in the given space. Now, comprehension. Turn the page. There is a short story, a passage. Now, an ant and an elephant live in a forest. See in the picture? An ant and an elephant live in the forest. Elephant, ha ha ha, you are so small. I am big and strong. The elephant sleeps. A man comes into the forest. He has a gun. The ant bites the elephant. Elephant says, ouch, ouch. He wakes up. The man with the gun runs away. Elephant says, thank you. The ant feels happy. Ant says to herself that I saved the elephant. You came to know the story, a simple story of elephant and an ant. An elephant and an ant were living in a forest. And then suddenly one day, elephant says that, laughing to ant, you are so small. See, I am so big and strong. And then next, elephant sleeps. Then a man comes into the forest and he has a big gun. Then what happened? Ant sees the man with a gun and ant thinks that he might hurt elephant and ant bites the elephant and elephant wakes up with a sound, ouch, ouch. He wakes up and the man with the gun runs away with fear. Elephant says thank you to the ant. Ant feels very happy that I saved the elephant. Now we will answer the questions. Okay, take the correct answers. The elephant lives in the forest with a mouse or an ant? An ant. Tick an ant box. Okay. The man has a net or a gun? A gun. Okay. Now the ant is happy because she lifts an elephant or saves an elephant. Ant is happy because she saves an elephant. Okay, children. Now write a or an before these words. See, words related to the comprehension only are given in here, and then we need to just write a or an before the words. Okay, first one, forest. Forest starts with F. F is a consonant. Then we will use a forest. Okay. Now second one, ant. An ant. Okay. Third one is elephant. An elephant. And fourth one is net. A net. Okay. Fifth one is man. A man. Sixth one is gun. A gun. Okay, children, done with the page, comprehension. And now the next slides. Check the slides for the answers and practice. Okay, see here. Let's crack it. These are the answers. check out with the help of your parents so that you can write correct answers. Okay, children, and see here. Look at the picture and write what you can see to have been done for you. Okay? Then next, let's perfect it. See, the help box is given. You need to connect those words to the picture and then write the usage of a or an. Okay? Now, complete the sentences using a or an and then write the names of the things you can see below. Remember to use a or an before the words. Okay, children? Now, read the passage comprehension. Okay? And answer the following. Take the correct answers. Then write a or an before these words. Okay, children? Be perfect with a or an. See, you people have learnt last year also, and once again it's a repetition. You are very much perfect with vowels and consonants. Okay? A, E, I, O, U are vowels and other alphabet are what? Consonants. Okay, children? Chalo, bye-bye. Take care. Enjoy the video and get ready for the answers to write. Okay, children? Take care. Good night.